Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you know whenever you are using MS Excel, you can enter data in one tab which will get replicated to other tabs also. If you have such requirement, then check out this particular video. Now, if you follow my mouse, here I have three tabs here. Worksheet grouping 1, worksheet grouping 2 and worksheet grouping 3. So if I have a requirement that, okay, I'll just maybe select this particular portion of the data, maybe I'll color it in some way, or maybe I'll make the first one bold and I'll make some changes and I'll maybe mark it as a darker color. So whatever it is. So this is one just sample. Now, if you need to do the same thing in all three tabs, there are certain options. You can do one thing, you can do it in a single tab, and there you can copy and you can paste it in other tabs. That's the normal way of achieving this particular goal. Now, another option is, let me first delete these particular columns, and if I have a blank sheet available, right? Now, if I do one thing, if I select all three tabs by pressing Ctrl, and if you are using a Mac, then you need to use Command. So once you are clicking on this three, press Command and then all three will get selected together. Now, if you make some changes here, now if I draw a similar type of a table here, and I change the heading to bold and with a different set of colors, then now if I click elsewhere in any of the other tab and then I come back to worksheet grouping 1, you can see this particular table is there. If you go to the next tab, you'll also be able to see the same thing. So what it did, and then the third one also. So whenever all three tabs were selected, whatever we were doing in one tab, it was getting replicated elsewhere also. So this is called worksheet grouping, and this is the way you can use it in case you have such requirement that maybe you want to create a template in there maybe 10 different tabs. So instead of creating one and then copy paste in other 9, you can utilize this particular feature. If I just show you some other details also, maybe once this is selected, if you enter any of the data here, maybe name, same thing also will get replicated elsewhere. You can see it's there. So it's not only formatting, whatever you will be doing when all these tabs are selected, whatever you will be doing, any formatting change, any data entry, everything will get replicated in all other selected tabs also. Hopefully you will be able to use it in your day-to-day work. If you learned something new today, please give this particular video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye for now.